Here's the website was created. You can see that there is a gap over here, but that's not a problem. That gap is for ads, and I'm going to show you how this gap was created. Now, the reason why this is empty and there are no ads still is because simply we are still waiting, we're still pending approval from Google AdSense to display ads on this website. So it takes several days. If you go to Google AdSense website, which I'm going to take you in a little while, they're going to ask you to verify a website, and they're going to tell you that it could take up to 1 week, to get the validation that your site can display ads. But that's not a problem. We already have a spot reserved for ads over here. We also have a spot reserved for ads somewhere else over here. And so this is how the website looks. And so if you can look at it here, you can see that people can come, they can see all sorts of deals that are happening. These are categories of deals. For example, Amazon KDP course coupons. If you can click on it, you'll be taken directly there and you'll see how many coupons are available for the Amazon KDP. You can still see that there are no comments over here. This is still fresh because I just created it yesterday. On the sidebar, there is a section reserved for coupon search. So people can actually search for online codes. If they have them, they can search for coupons based on the category. They can search based on the store. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create all of that. But let's go back. Assuming that a person might land on this page and like this course, they can click Get Deal. And they can just simply click Get Deal, and they'll be taken to the Udemy deal right here. And you can see that this is the course. The coupon is active. 85% off is applied. You can see that it is applied over here, 85% off. And basically, once you if the coupon works, you can just click this button over here. And I just created this website yesterday, and you can see that it has got some traffic. So this coupon was used by 5 people. Okay, so 5 people actually visited the landing page of my course on Udemy from this page over here. And so I just built it yesterday, not expecting to get any traffic, but still we got some traffic. And so right here is where you see trending stores. You can add as many stores as you want. I'm going to show you that. You can add them. We can go ahead and add them. You can see right here, this section, it shows the latest coupons. The latest coupons are shown based on the time that is left for the coupon to get expired. Okay, so if the time for the coupon to get expired is only about, let's say, 4 hours, then people are going to be able to see the courses displayed from latest to newest. So this one was the last one that I published, and that's why it is the latest over here. Ending soon coupons is based on reverse chronological order, based on the most. For example, if this one is going to get expired in 5 days, and this one will be expired in 6 days, this one 7 days, that explains why this one is first, because this one will expire sooner than all the other coupons. You can see that we have a search bar over here. You can see that I have a link over here to submit coupons. If I click on it, it says not found. And the reason why it is not found is because I still didn't link it to this page over here, submit coupons. If I keep scrolling down, you can see at the bottom of the page, we have subscribe to our new newsletters. But very simple. I'm going to show you how to create it in a very straightforward way. I'm going to also show you how to connect it to MailChimp. And let's assume that somebody lands on this page but wants to submit their coupons. They can just click on submit coupon, and they'll be taken over here to this page where they'll be asked to log in. Now they'll be asked to log in, and once they're logged in, they can actually submit a coupon. Let me go ahead and open up the WordPress. All right, so this is the WordPress dashboard. Let's go to the submit coupon. All right, let's check if this is still recording. Yes, it is. So this is the submit coupon. Okay, so if I click view, open in a new tab, let's close this LinkedIn tab thing. All right, you can see the submit coupon page. You can see that there is a gap over here, but this gap is reserved for ads. Okay, that's why. And you can see that people can come here. They can select the store, for example, Udemy. They can select the category of courses. Of course, you're going to have to enter a lot of categories. And for that, I'm going to show you a website that you can go to, and you can get all the possible categories of courses that exist. This website is this one over here, online courses dot o. If I click submit Udemy coupons, you can click coupon category and you can see just how many categories are in here. You can go ahead and copy every single category and create a category for each and every single one of them. It's going to take you a long time to accomplish this, but it's completely worth it. And this is basically the setup of your website, because you're gonna have to set it up. You're gonna have to make sure that when people click category, they can find the category that best fits their course. Okay, you can see that the site has been getting some traffic. You can see the amount of traffic that the website has over here. In just one day, I got over 48 hours. I got 5 people that visited the website, which is good. And yeah, you can even set a featured image for your course if you want to. You can add the coupon code. There are basically a few coupons over here. So if you click online sale, you can just add the link directly, and the link will be added. You can add an expiry date and the coupon title and basically describe the coupon. And if the coupon is exclusive, you can click it and then basically click submit coupon. But because I've still not entered most of values here, the field marked are required, and they're showing me here that I need to enter all the fields. Now, there are sections, for example, for a blog. If you want to incorporate a blog in your website, you can see right here that I have created a blog section over here. I'm going to show you how I did it. If you want to browse coupons based on your preference, you can come here, browse all the coupons that exist. Mainly right now, there are only about 10 coupons. You can filter the coupons based on popular, name, date added, success rate. Basically, the success rate is how many people actually succeeded or how many people tried the coupon and they found that it worked for them. There is a filter basically right and on the left-hand side. I'm going to show you how I added it. Here is for people that have subscribed. Now, the website is basically a dummy website. This is just a dummy website. We're going to build another one, actually a little bit better than this. I'm not going to promise you that it's going to be much better, but it's going to be better than this. Here is a page for categories. You can see the categories that we have over here. Right now, I just added about 6 categories. Category for Amazon KDP courses, Fiverr freelancing, passive income, React Native, sales funnels, SEO, search engine optimization. There's a contact us page over here. People can come here and they can contact the moderator of this page. And there's the My Account page over here just to see the accounts, your account, your profile. If you're already logged in, you can see your information about your profile and change that based on your preferences. You can see the stores that we have over here. Particularly right now, we only have Udemy. We can add a bunch of stores. The only thing you have to do is to add the store, add the image. Basically, you can see right here, we still haven't added the Udemy logo, but we're going to add it once we create the finished product. And finally, this is the home page. You can access it by clicking home, or you can simply just click over here, click on Udemy coupons, and you'll be directed to the home. So let's say that you are on the submit coupons page and you want to go back to the home page. You just click on Udemy coupons and you will be redirected right there. So this is how the website looks. You can see that it is actually good. It is looking bad because we're still pending the Google Ads approval. And once it is approved, ads are going to be displayed on our website. It's going to look better. Obviously, you can go ahead and build some Facebook groups if you want, build some LinkedIn groups, get some traffic from there. And basically, yeah, this is how it works.